Unlock AI's full potential. Learn prompt engineering. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Insan. Today, we're talking about something that can take your AI skills to the next level. Prompt engineering. Whether you're using AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, or any other AI tool, crafting better prompts is the key to getting the most out of them. Stick around, and I'll also share how you can become a certified prompt engineer. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? Think of it as having a conversation with AI. The better you phrase your question or instruction, the better the response you'll get. It's not just about asking, it's about asking the right way. Now, why does this matter? Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine you're using an AI tool to write an email. A vague prompt. Write me an email about a meeting. A better prompt. Draft a formal email inviting a team of 5 to a project kickoff meeting on Monday, January 22nd at 10 a.m. Include the agenda and a polite closing. The more detailed your prompt, the closer the output is to what you want. This saves you time and effort, especially if you're working on something complex like business communication, content creation, or even coding. Alright, here's a simple framework to create better prompts, step by step. Be clear and specific. State exactly what you want the AI to do. Provide context. Give background details so the AI understands the scenario. Define the tone or style. Do you want the tone to be formal, casual, or playful? Set limits or rules, for example, answer in bullet points or use no more than 100 words. Let's see how this works with a real-world example. Example prompt. You are an experienced travel blogger. Suggest a 7-day itinerary for Paris, including landmarks, food spots, and a daily budget for a solo traveler. Notice how we're clear about the role, the task, and the details we need. This kind of prompt gives the AI a structure to work with. Prompt engineering isn't just for fun. It's a skill that's in demand across industries. Here are a few examples. Marketing teams crafting creative ad campaigns. Developers, debugging code or generating quick scripts. Educators, designing quizzes or simplifying complex concepts for students. Content creators, writing scripts, captions, or brainstorming ideas. By mastering prompt engineering, you can make AI your ultimate productivity tool, no matter your field. Now let's talk about certifications. With AI becoming such a hot topic, many organizations offer certifications to validate your skills. Here's how to start. Learn the basics. Platforms like OpenAI, YouTube tutorials, and free online resources are great places to begin. Practice. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or MidJourney to experiment with prompts. Take a course. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer detailed courses on prompt engineering. Earn certifications. Some platforms like OpenAI or AI-centric programs provide official certifications. These can add a professional edge to your resume. Finally, here are some pro tips to keep growing as a prompt engineer. Stay updated with AI advancements. Build a portfolio of creative and effective prompts. Join AI communities to share and learn from others. Always experiment. You'll discover new ways to push AI tools to their limits. Prompt engineering is a powerful skill that can transform how you work with AI tools. With practice and the right resources, you can not only master this skill, but also turn it into a career opportunity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and insights. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more.